Hello everyone. Today in this video we're going to discuss the last topic of this chapter of simple equations. So today's topic is application of simple equations to practical situations. Now today we'll be learning how to apply the concept of simple equations in our day-to-day life problems which are related to mathematics. So let us begin with an example. So here is a question given to us. The question says the sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. So we need to find that number. Now we don't know what number it is. It is unknown to us. So we'll denote it with the help of a variable. So let the unknown number be x. Now 3 times of that number. So what will be the 3 times of x? Yes, you're right. 3 times of that number will be 3x. Now it is given that the sum of 3 times of that number and 11 is 32. So according to the question, our equation will be like this. 3x plus 11 is equal to 32. Clear? Now we have to solve for x. So let us do it with the help of the transposing method. So first of all, what we have done is that we have transposed 11 from the left hand side to the right hand side. So it became minus 11. Now 32 minus 11 will give us how much? It will give us 21. Now next we have to transpose 3 from the left hand side to the right hand side. Now 3 is multiplied on the left hand side. So if we transpose it onto the right hand side, it will be divided. So it will look like this. 21 divided by 3. And 21 divided by 3, as we all know, it is 7. So 7 is our required number. Now to verify it, what we can do is that we can substitute this value of x into the given equation. And if we substitute it, we will find that the left hand side and the right hand side both are equal. So our required solution or our required number is correct. Clear? Now let's move on to the next example. The next example says find a number such that 1/4 of that number is 3 more than 7. Okay, now listen carefully. We will go step by step. First of all, the number is unknown to us. So we'll denote it with the help of a variable. Let us denote it with a variable y. Now 1/4 of that number. So 1/4 of y will be what? 1/4 of y will be y by 4. Clear? Now before proceeding further, let me give you an example. Let the number be 10. Say for example, let us suppose that the number is 10. Now we know that 10 is 3 more than 7, isn't it? How did we get that? 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Clear? Similar thing we will be applying here. The number is y by 4. Now that number y by 4 is 3 more than 7. So our equation will be like this. Number is y by 4 is the number and it is 3 more than 7. So our equation will be like this. Y by 4 minus 7 is equal to 3. Understood? Now we have to solve for y. So first of all, we'll transpose 7 to the right hand side. So it will give us 3 plus 7. Now 3 plus 7 is 10. So y by 4 is equal to 10. Now we will transpose 4 to the right hand side. 4 is divided on the left hand side. If we shift it to the right hand side or transpose it onto the right hand side, it will be multiplied. So it will become, y value will become 10 into 4. Now 10 into 4 is 40. So 40 is our required number. Now again, if you have to verify it, we just substitute that value of y onto the given equation. That is y by 4 minus 7 equals to 3. And you will find that the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Clear? So 40 is our required number. Now moving on to the next example. Okay. Now this is the example of age problem. Okay, this is the age problem given here. So Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Find Raju's age if his father's age is 44 years old. Now we don't know what is Raju's age here. So we'll denote it with the help of a variable. So let Raju's age be X years. We don't know how much it is. We need to find it. Now again it is given that Raju's 3 times of Raju's age, and if we add 5 more years to it, it will be equal to Raju's father's age. And Raju's father's age is also given to us, that is at present his father's age is 44 years old. So if we write Raju's father's age in terms of Raju's age, then it will be like this: 3x plus 5 years. Clear? Because 3 times of Raju's age, that is 3x, and if we add 5 more years to it, that is plus 5, then it will give us Raju's father's age. Now according to question, Raju's father's present age is how much? 44 years. So let us make the equation now. According to question, 3x plus 5 is equal to 44. This will be our required equation. Now we have to solve for x. That will give us Raju's age. So we have transposed 5 onto the right hand side. It became minus 5. So 44 minus 5 will give us 39. So 3x equals to 39. Now we will shift 3 onto the right hand side. So it will be 39 divided by 3. And 39 divided by 3 gives us 13. So Raju's present age, or you can say Raju's age at present, is 13 years. Clear? So this was all about some examples which are related to the concept of simple equation in practical situation. That means applied in the day-to-day life problems. So I hope you all have understood today's video, and that brings us to the end of this video, as well as this brings us to the end of this chapter of simple equations. So that's it then for today. Thank you and have a nice day.